with another variation of instant poha. To begin, as I had roasted the poha the same way, I am going to roast it now. Now this is warm enough and puffed a little. I'll put it to the bowl. Now with 2 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds. When it's crackling, we're going to add in the urad dal, Channa dal, and some ground nuts. And time to add green chilies and curry leaves. The moisture in the chilies and the curry leaves should be gone. So fry till then. If you are using the fresh lime, then you can squeeze in at this time itself. But here I am using the citric acid, so I'll be using it in the last. Now they're all crisp. Going to add in some turmeric. Now I'll switch off the flame. Add the roasted poha, salt to taste, and some citric acid. You can allow this to cool and then pack. Now this is cool enough. I can add water. For this, 1 measure of hot water. As it absorbs the water, it would be ready to eat. After half an hour, the poha is ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.